Our project is called Canada Confesses. This is an online-based project through Instagram, Twitter, Discord, Reddit, any social media you can think of. And so what we do is we accept anonymous submissions from Canadians who've experienced social injustices. And then we make a post about it, sharing their stories, as well as promoting resources and organizations who are working towards those social injustices. And at the same time, we also have a program called Voices of Canada within the project. And this is where people can submit creative forms of empowerment.
What we learned from OSP, was the power of having resources from each sector. And so we wanted to build up on that and create a whole network that can connect different organizations that are working towards a lot of amazing causes, and then partner that with our project participants, and partner that with the confessions we receive. So people not only share this is, something that we need to bring awareness about, but then also here are some resources, here are some organizations that are working, towards achieving it, and then just trying to build that community.
People are experiencing these injustices, but how exactly do you call it out without being reprimanded at work, by your friends? Do you lose friends? Do you lose families if you talk about it? And so having that anonymous platform gives people the confidence that they can say all the details of what they need to say and be safe about it too.
One of the ways we used the funding we got from OSP was to launch our very first website. So we used it to pay for the domain and pay for all related charges for the website. And OSP gave us a lot of project worksheets and timelines and ways to actually monitor the impact of the project. So we wanted to see a lot of tangible results, and we weren't seeing a lot of that then. So moving forward 1 year later and then actually seeing those results and going to conferences, giving presentations, and expanding to our team of over 30 volunteers, it gives you confidence every single day to just keep going and to inspire others to keep going as well.
Long term, I really hope that government or the media, they look to us for the voices of the people, because we're going to be collecting them.
I hope that our voices, the voices of our volunteers, the voices of our project participants can have a say, when policies being made, when key decisions are being made, when resources are being shared, when organizations are taking these huge momentum efforts. I hope that Canada Confesses can be there to, sort of like a guiding voice, hey, here's what people actually think, here are some urgent things that are going on, here are some resources that are available.
I just feel like if we can start talking, other people will start talking, and it'll just go on from there.